This one got hit down low in the bottom here. I have a Chevy Cruze here. This one got hit down low in the bottom here and completely destroyed. This rear body panel is shoved way in, damaged up here, and the trunk floor is rolled in across the bottom here. You could kind of see it better inside of here. So this one's going to be getting a new rear body panel, and then I'm going to repair that trunk floor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill a few holes in this rear body panel and use that to pull this out in order to walk this trunk floor out. And also these taillight pockets are rolled in just slightly, but as I pull this out, a lot of that's going to relax back. So I'm going to go ahead and make a few pulls, and then I will go ahead and start getting this rear body panel cut off. So I have this one all fit together. The trunk lid shuts and latches and seals nicely. All the gaps going all the way around are nice and even. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lift this bumper cover and tail lights and everything back off, and I'll get this rear body panel welded on.